You got him. Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Let's go. Right in the corner of the mouth. Yeah. Solid fish. Let's go.
There's pike here.
There are pike. Okay, buddy. You just need to chill. Thank you. Oh, look at you. He's in the weeds now. I think it's another pike. Coming straight at me. Oh. Oh, he's just digging. This is a bass. Oh, it's a big pike. Not bad.
Oh, that thing's huge. That thing's huge. That thing's huge. Dude, if that's... Oh my god.
Look at the head.
That is a massive pike.
Okay, you just need to chill. Can you chill? Can we chill?
Oh!
Oh.
Definitely gonna need a picture with this thing. This thing's huge.
Oh, the line is definitely wrapped in his gills now. Oh. How is the line not breaking yet?
Dude, that thing's caught me 2 muskies.
Dude, I'm telling you.
That's in there too. Oh! Hold him sideways once.
That's why you hold them over the water. Oh, that helped actually. Got the lure out a little bit more.
It's gotta be a 35-inch pike.
You can measure it, but I don't know if I really...
I wouldn't. I just...
Reel over him. Is it big? Oh, you gotta take that off. Oh, he's not bad. Oh,
Get in the boat!
Oh,
What are you doing?
he's not bad.
What a guy.
just hanging him over the edge.
Oh, what a
2.5.
guy.
Jump. Oh.
Yeah, I almost did too. Oh, come here, big boy. Yeah. That's how it's done.
Back in the creek.
Time to let her go, eh? He came out right there by the under that tree, I think. Right in the current. Oh. Oh, there he went.
Don't get in that tree. Don't get in that tree. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. No. Don't go around that branch. First cast, dude. Oh, no. There we go. There we go. No. Oh. We gotta get him.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there we go. Dude.
Oh, what a guy.
So sick. 2.5 pounder in the back.
In the
of a
back
tree.
of middle of
Almost at the
freaking
end.
nowhere. Like under a freaking tree.
That is sick. Mint.
Oh, right down to the bottom. Now he's just cruising in the current.
Yeah. I haven't even set the hook yet.
Yeah, you're good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big one. No!
No,
Oh, there's like a 4! Dude!
Oh, that's
No.
great.
No!
Cast back
That
in.
thing was big.
Totally cast back in.
No! I swear if I don't get this thing.
Do you need to pick up this anchor?
Your rod is so light.
Like lightweight or like
Yeah, like so bendy.
it's a medium rod?
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
got
I
him.
even got it. No!
No.
Are you kidding me? No! Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Dude! It was the same fish.
get back in there.
No, he's not gonna eat it
Dude,
again.
get back for it. How did you manage to hold him that long?
He's not that big. Oh. Cause they just eat it. And I just set it. Mega.
Oh. Yep, definitely nothing wrong here. Where'd he go?
Oh, the sunfish.
Oh, got it. See that?
Yep.
He's bigger than I thought. Come on there, bud.
Oh. No, come here. Come. No.
Oh, oh.
No. No. We're just waiting all the way back here.
Oh.
Eats it out of the tree. That is awesome.
That's great. Oh, totally got that.
In Minnesota.
That's just ridiculous.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you got one. It's small.
The audio's gonna be, but literally was trying to release one and had this one on while I had the rod in the water. A little like 3.5 dwarf the 3. Just mondos in the back of a creek in the middle of nowhere. All right, you want to try to do the in-water release?
Yeah. Let's...
No.
Oh, oh.
And I'm done. That one's gone. No.
Alrighty, so we're out here on Rush Lake, actually on the East Lake right now. And as you can see, we're actually not really in the lake. More of a creek situation. We got back here with the old Alumacraft, put it on a log, and started walking. We got about, give or take, maybe 500, 600 yards back through there, and fish were thick. Probably 1 every 5 casts, you could get a 1 to 3 pounder. It was all over the place. And they were hitting on everything. They were Senko, swim bait, you name it, they were biting it. Under trees and shade, in the current even, they were just everywhere. Definitely a unique experience. Definitely would do this again.